Day 3 already. Boys, get ready for a hiking.
Yay!
In New Cali. Let's go.
No hunting, no tourist.
The vlog. We got a fresh baguette. I'm only eating half now because I need some fuel. 8k hike. Let's go. Gorgeous temperature, not too hot. Whee! At the lookout. Look out. Look out. Bro just slipped down the stairs. We have a round 2. Slid down right. Yeah. Okay. Bamboo. Where are the pandas?
Learn the art. So take a photo when your lens is cracked. Just gotta block the light out.
Yeah.
That's it. Bang.
Guys, that's secret.
Light work.
Hi guys.
Hey guys, it's your boy Caleb Cooks here. Local kind of people here.
To get up over here, Jeremy's gonna have to cross. Oh, this guy's doing something else. I don't know. Oh my gosh, bro. We'll just go this way. Keep it cruisy. Sick. We made it. Did it. Post hike, little treats. Haribo pick. They're so good. Coming to, oh my gosh. It's so quiet. Hand's like really soft. Water temp check. Oh. Refreshing, but it's not cold.
Okay.
Gotta love the smell of petrol, guys. A watermelon there, guys. $60. 60 AUD. Unreal, to be honest.
Yeah! Yeah!
We're about to get some drinks and some food. You already know we got the jug, cocktail jug. Stone Our second cocktail jug. Watch this. Oh! Guys, the bangers are coming out. Where's my drink? I know I just recorded something, but I'm just vibing so hard.